So that was just a quick unboxing of the E4K Plus camera that I own now. I was waiting for this camera to purchase from long time because I was facing many issues with the GoPro Hero 5 I already own, that I purchased last year at the beginning of last year, and using it on the helmet is a big task because there is no external mic support directly mounted in the camera. You have to purchase an adapter which will go to the external mic, and then you have to vlog or use it on your helmet, which makes a heavy weight on the front side of the helmet. So E has some special features. E4K Plus, this camera has real special features which can also be compared with the GoPro Hero 6, which is launched around a couple of months back. So this is AC Tuber and welcome to my channel. So the things that E provides is, as you can see in the box, these are the things that E provides. So when I ordered this camera, there were some other options as well, that I could have selected a selfie stick or some kind of gimbal, but I didn't do so because I just needed the camera to put it on my helmet and use it. Right now, for your reference, I am using the Firefly 8S, and that is an excellent camera. If you want to do motovlogging, that is a real good camera, but there are few limitations with that camera. But as a starter, you can easily use that camera for motovlogging with some excellent quality in 4K. But unfortunately, in 4K there is no stabilization support that is provided on Firefly 8S. So for me, my dream tour to Leh Ladakh is coming this year, and I want to get prepared so I don't miss any of the beauty of my dream tour. So this is the preparation I started from the start of the year 2018. So let me tell you what are the things that is available in the box in this kit. I have ordered some accessories with this camera, but I have not received them yet. Once I receive it, I'll make a complete review video, but this is just an unboxing of this great featured camera, that is the E4K Plus. So firstly, this is the case that is received in the box. This is a waterproof case, and the quality of this case is way better that I use on my Firefly 8S. However, the Firefly 8S is also provided with a great case, a waterproof case, but the fit and the finish that I can see on this particular case is way above. Number 2. So this is number 2 and this is number 3. So it is just the mount. So if you use this case, you can just put it here and mount it by tightening the screw. So you can use it on a tripod because it has a tripod mount, or you can also use it for placing it on your helmet or somewhere else. So this is the heartbeat of the camera, that is the battery, and the battery is of 1200 mAh, and I'm not going to go to the nitty-gritty of this battery. It's provided by E, it's an original battery, so I have heard some very good comments about this battery, that it lasts very long, so hope to get a good response. So the best of the best thing that is provided in E, that you can just mount this audio jack. It was too tight. You can just mount the audio jack, which is this, with the type C port of the E4K Plus camera, and from here you can use an external mic, and it will not increase the weight if you are using it on a helmet, because this thing is hardly 10 to 15 grams, I guess. This is where the GoPro Hero 5 and Hero 6 fails, because the adapter is so heavy that sometimes your neck starts paining if you are a continuous user of the GoPro Hero 5. So GoPro, this is not done. This is something you should have provided to the users. This is the type C and USB cable used to data transfer or charge the camera directly. And finally, here comes the camera. So this finish is like a carbon fiber all the way. It's mentioned as E plus, that is EK 4K plus, and the back side of this thing is LCD display like you get in a GoPro, and the lens looks beautiful. So I think this is the speakers, this is the power on off button that you can see on this. It has a tripod mount directly placed in the camera where the GoPro misses. The GoPro doesn't provide such a tripod mount on any of its camera. This is another plus point. So what all the things that are more in this camera? So let me on this camera and then I'll check. So I have put the battery inside the camera, and this is the first time I'm going to start it. So it pops out that select camera mode here, then settings, then press here for album, and the startup guides. So there is recommendation for the SD cards as well. I hope you can see this. So there are recommendations for the SD card. So right now I don't have an SD card to put inside. As I said, there are some accessories that I have already ordered, and once I receive it, I'll put the complete review of this camera. So first impressions, the touch screen in this camera works very good. So now as you can see that it displays my face, and unfortunately I cannot record anything right now, but I hope this will give me the fruits, the sweet fruits in my Leh Ladakh trip this year. So that was pretty much it from this video. I wanted to keep this video as short as possible, and I hope I have done that. So let us meet in the second phase of this camera when I'll be actually field testing how is the quality and there will be another video in the comparison of E4K Plus, the Hero 5 and the Firefly 8s. How is the quality of all the three cameras with different range put together. So Firefly 8s is an entry level camera with a budget of 8 to 10k. This is around 18 to 20k, and the Hero 5, I don't have the Hero 6, and the Hero 5 is around 26 to 30k. So it will be fun. Keep watching my videos, and thank you for watching this video. The comparison and the complete review of this camera is coming soon on my channel. Thank you for watching, and keep supporting, keep liking, and keep subscribing. Thank you all.